What's up guys, this is Symphony. Yes, I know you see the before and then you're going to see the after. I'm going to be perming my hair today and I'm going to be using Olive Miracle Deep Conditioning Perm, and this is the regular, so I'm going to be using this to perm my hair today, and I will be showing y'all the end result after I perm my hair. So this is the before, and also I know guys I don't be posting a lot of videos on a regular. I just been busy. I'm getting ready to graduate college, get my bachelor's. I graduate July the 10th. So I'm sorry I don't post regularly, but I am working on posting regularly for you guys, the subscribers that I do have. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. And also don't forget to like this video and click that notification bell. And I'll be right back, hunties. I'm going to go and perm my hair, and then I'll be back to show you like when I section it off, how I have it permed, and I'm going to show you the end result of after I rinse out the perm and when I blow dry my hair, and I'm going to flat iron it because soon I'm going to be working on me a perfect ponytail. I'm going to do my own ponytail, and I'm also going to do my own hair for my graduation. So be right back. I'm gonna go ahead and part it. First, I'm gonna put some Vaseline on my scalp. I put Vaseline all around my head, my ears, anywhere it can burn. I'm going to section off my hair, and I'm going to go ahead and add the perm, and I'm going to show you guys that, and just show you how it comes out after I perm my hair. So, all right, guys, see you when I get back. So you see I've parted my hair. I put the Vaseline. I used petroleum jelly to put on my hair just to coat my skin to protect me from the perm. As you can see, guys, can you see? I got it in 4 parts. So right now I'm going to go ahead and add the perm. Okay. So yeah, I've mixed up the perm right here. You mix it with that stick. You mix it with the stick. It comes in the box. Everything comes in the box. As you can see, they call it one, the Deep Conditioning No Lie Cream Relaxer, and also in the box I put the liquid activator. That's what this is, 1B. And also it wanted me to put this, the Olive Miracle Deep Conditioner Herbal Infusion Pack. So I poured that into there, and I'm mixing it, and I use the box to put everything that I've used into the box. And also guys, you know, it takes time, you know, doing your hair. I'm learning you have to be patient when you do your own hair. As you can see, I have the perm in my hair. I'm letting it settle in, and then I'm going to just let it work its way in my head because my hair gets nappy. I have to perm my hair. I've tried natural. It does not work for me. My hair gets really nappy and I just can't control it. So I'm just letting it work its way in for a minute, and then I'm going to rinse it and wash it, and then after that I'm going to make sure that I put my heating spray on my hair, my straightening spray, and then I'm going to blow dry it, and I'm going to curl it, flat iron it. Hey guys, I'm back. So I'm done perming my hair. This is the after, and as you can see, it's straight. So that is how you perm your hair, and I blow dried it and I flat ironed it. And also guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video. Thanks for watching guys.
Bye.
Bye.